Because I said so. Stop.
Why? Excuse me?
These three?
Yep.
Okay, come this way. Stop right here. Stop.
Okay,
come over this way real quick. Come over this way. You too. You too. Yep. Come over this way.
What happened? What's happening? What happened?
Sit.
Come on, do nothing.
Sit.
Excuse me, I don't have nothing. What happened?
Sit. Thank you. You're back. You're back.
10, 12 of them if you want to find out what's going on.
Stand right here.
Can you sit them on here? Are these bags? They're ours.
Yeah, they're ours.
Yeah.
And then the sunglasses are ours too.
Sunglasses.
Oh my god. Yes. Sorry.
You got handcuffs?
Huh?
You guys got handcuffs?
Can we bring them to our office so we don't go through everything?
Yeah, well, let me make sure they don't have any weapons.
Okay.
Stand up. You stand up. You stay seated.
I don't have nothing.
Well, I don't know that. Do I know what's in your pockets? Or hands?
You guys,
Okay, sit.
Guys, someone to be here.
Stand. Around that way.
Hi.
Correct. There could be a couple items in the back.
All right, let's go this way. Sit. Please, thank you.
So I'm pretty sure nothing's in there because they're not scooped, and so they ditched everything. That's everything that was in the car. But we still have the bags, and I still have some of the sunglasses. And I actually have to grab the tag from the sunglasses that she ditched in the jeans.
Okay.
I'm not going with nothing. What is this? Sunglasses.
That's illegal. Now you know why you're sitting here. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Do you guys? How old are you guys? How old are you?
25. I'm 15. I don't know what happened there.
Do you guys have IDs from somewhere?
No.
Do you have IDs?
I don't have
You
nothing.
never have IDs issued to you. You don't have any identification whatsoever. So what's your name? Where are you from?
Romania.
So you have no identification at all. Okay, what's your name?
Anita.
Spell it.
I don't spell it. Anita.
How do you spell your name?
I know. I know. She don't know to spell it. She can write it for you. Come in.
What's your name? Spell it.
I don't know to spell it. I don't know so much English. This is my bag. This
What about the
is
deodorant?
only two.
We watched you put this in that bag.
What?
We saw you grab it
This
off
is
the
my
shelf.
home.
We watched you grab it.
What's your last name?
My name, Anita.
Does Anita have a last name?
Anita, what?
Okay, so you're not
Then
gonna.
I'm not stealing nothing. What is this?
Okay, so you're not gonna identify yourself.
10 police and I don't know why.
What's your name?
That deodorant.
What? Spell it. You don't know how to spell your names? Like, how do you spell it in Romania? No. Okay. What's your birthday?
97.
What's your birthday?
97 February.
February what?
97.
What's your birthday?
2008.
Do you have any United States identification at all? No.
The blue is my bag, man. Me, I don't feel nothing.
Okay. So the cameras are lying? So the cameras are lying is what you're saying?
You see the camera.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I bring just three this one. I don't know what is here. 10 police, 10 cars for the police, and I don't know why. Excuse me, why you bring one the back door? Because you see.
Hey! Hush!
But you can
That's
check
not
the
yours.
camera. You can check the
You
camera.
go to the camera and I have my bag. Why
Okay.
should bring the new? Because it's mine.
Check the
camera, please. I don't think nothing for
She
this
said
store.
just this.
Hey! Sit down!
Yes.
And shut up, please.
Okay, shut up.
You don't need to
Okay.
talk.
I am criminal. I'm stealing three
No,
things.
stay seated.
Okay.
I don't have any money with me. I have just my bed. And
Well, that makes sense why you would steal, because you have no
I'm
money.
not stealing, but I want to go in the car.
You
I
see
rather
the
should
camera
go
next to
here
something?
with the money. I don't have nothing. I'm thinking I have my
Okay.
money
So you're saying
here.
you came in with these bags?
This is my bag.
What time did you come in the store?
Me? I don't know why you look the camera. Why you
What
look the
entrance did you
camera?
come in?
Why you look careful? You are here. You are here. Why you not look your job? This is your job. Tell
Okay,
the
so what about
people.
sunglasses?
Okay, go to the drive.
That's
What about the sunglasses?
What?
What about the sunglasses? Are sunglasses yours too?
What?
Are the sunglasses
No,
yours
this is
too?
yours. I
Man.
put everything here because I'm the man from here. I'm joking with the man because she look me. She see me in the.
She followed me in the store.
Yes, yes. And I put here everything that she think I'm stealing. But I'm not stealing nothing. I'm not going with nothing. What is this? Habla español. Emo, habla español, Jasimi. Habla español.
Huh?
Habla español.
No.
Sí, habla. Tú eres mexicano.
Mexican?
Sí.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. That's something I didn't know.
No habla.
I just said no.
I'm
I don't know
joking
Romanian
with
spoke
this insecurity.
They just confirmed that they hit Auburndale as well.
Where?
Auburndale, Florida.
I can see you.
Sticky fingers. You guys have sticky fingers.
No, I want to see you. Please. Because I am from here and it's just as last time. I want to see you the camera. When you told me it's the two times.
Not
You
here.
guys are naughty.
Different store.
What store? Here in this city.
Hey, so, just so y'all know, you can go steal from Walmart.
What?
We're all in communication. So every time, like, you put it out there, guess what? We
So what is your problem with the other store? What's your problem? It's not your store.
Yeah.
I'm joking
But
with this girl because I'm looking. She see me. I put everything here and I put and go to the because she look me. She see me. I said,
Okay.
what's in with this? Like I put here.
You got a lot of
everything.
hot air.
Yes.
You got a lot of hot
I'm
air.
joking with this.
It's not a joke.
Because I see you, you look me. Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Hați niște de cubule al domnului, al turbei. Absolut. I'm not stealing nothing de cubule și al curbe al domnului. I pay this. I want to pay.
It's too late. You should have paid first time.
I want to pay this.
It's too late.
Why?
Because you already answered the store.
Okay, okay, I'm stealing this.
That's why you
Okay,
did it.
you call five police. Thank God the police for this
Hey,
street.
shut up. Again.
Renación, ¿qué más?
Cállate.
Okay.
Por favor.
¿Por qué no le dice nada?
No hablas
Sabe
español.
español y no
Anita.
habla. Yes.
Stop talking.
Okay.
Per the Border Patrol, known to conduct multiple thefts throughout the state of Florida.
What?
Wow.
Okay, repeat.
Got the big fish today.
Stupid nation. I know. You can repeat. I know what you say.
Might have warrants.
Nice. I'm paying my warrant. I know what that means.
Go into the clinker.
What?
Go into the clinker, the big house.
What? Hablamos español. Just español. Renación, ¿qué más?
How long have you been in the United States?
What?
How long have you been in this country?
Like 3 years.
3 years?
2.
2 years?
Like, no.
Like, of all the inconspicuous clothing that you could steal,
I don't want the student. I'm put here because I'm joking with this. Yes. What is it's big?
Diarrhea of the mouth.
I don't want the student.
Diarrhea of the mouth. And I gotta search them more thoroughly.
Why? Why?
You know why?
For this. For this. What is this?
Means bad. You shouldn't have done it.
What?
Go ahead and stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Turn around.
put your hands together like you're praying.
Turn around.
Excuse me, sir. I can come.
Go ahead, stand up.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to see the picture that she told me the idea. I want to see it. Because
Not right
I know
now.
me. It's just the first time when here.
Not now.
What no?
You can't see it now.
You see me when I go to the police?
No, your attorney will have it.
Yes,
What?
Your
correct.
attorney will have it.
What is this story?
Your attorney, the person that represents you in the court of law.
No, I don't want the court because I am not me.
You're not you?
No, I am not
Who are
me.
you? Someone else?
I don't know.
Okay.
I want to see the picture. Why not give me the picture?
No, hold on.
Why? I'm not calling
It's not
the
up
court.
to you.
I'm gonna hide all their phones. And all their property and stuff. Yeah, I got all that. I'll meet you over there. Okay. Yeah. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir. I'm going to the police. And what happened?
You stole.
What?
You stole glasses.
When I'm going to the police, what happened?
You're gonna get booked. You're gonna get processed. And as of right now, the Border Patrol is gonna place a detainer on you.
What?
Yeah, which means you're gonna stay there until they deem it necessary.
I'm staying.
Yeah.
For this.
Who are you going now? In the jail?
To the jail.
Oh, for sunglasses.
What's that?
For sunglasses, we are going in the jail.
Yeah. It's crazy, right?
Yes, it's very crazy. So how long I staying in the jail?
How long?
Yes, how long?
Oh, I have no idea. I
How
can't
you
come. I
have
can't
no idea? You are a sheriff.
I
You don't
can't-
bring me to jail.
Huh?
You are a sheriff. You need to know.
I need to know
Yes, you need to know. You bring me to the jail.
until you bond out. You're there until you bond out.
My bond,
Yeah.
I'm 15. You
still-
can put bond on me?
Yeah, I can.
No,
Yeah, I can.
I don't think so.
Okay. But can you be arrested because you're 15?
Huh?
Can you be arrested because you're 15?
Yes, I can, but no bond. It's something different.
Okay. I understand. I understand what you're saying. You're saying because you're a juvenile, you don't get a bond. Well, you still get a bond. You're being arrested for a criminal charge.
For what? For a criminal charge?
Yeah, criminal charge.
What is this criminal? What I'm
Theft.
doing? I don't kill nobody for criminal.
I know, but you're still.
Yes, that's
Theft is
no
a-
criminal thing.
Theft is a crime.
No, it's not a criminal thing.
Yeah,
It's a crime. What?
it's a crime. Theft. When you take
I'm
somebody
stealing
else's,
sunglasses. It's a crime.
when you take somebody else's possessions without their permission, it is a crime.
Oh, I don't think so. For sunglasses, that's not a crime.
Okay. We have to wait and see. Immigration's coming.
Immigration.
Yeah.
Why?
Because apparently you guys committed a crime somewhere else.
Excuse me?
Did you guys steal somewhere else?
Immigration. What? What?
I don't know. I'm just saying what I heard.